Welcome to Really Easy Cooking with Robert. I am Robert. This is
Ed.
And today we are going to make tuna helper. Yes, you can just follow the directions on the back, but we're going to do a little bit more than that, and we're actually going to show you what the directions mean on the back. So let's get cooking. First thing we need to do is stir pasta, sauce mix, hot water, milk, butter, and tuna in 10-inch skillet, heat to boil. Yeah, what that really means is take the amount that they show at the top picture for milk. We'll go on boil that. We'll go on boil the water too.
Who wants milk water?
Well, if you don't put the water in with the milk can curdle and get nasty real quick. So they put extra water in, plus you're going to need the water in there. You're going to need the water in there to cook the noodles.
I think you need to put it. Wants flavoring milk water.
Well, this is how you cook it, Ed.
Get it flavoring milk water?
Yep. Flavored milk water, and we're going to then add, it says 4 tablespoons of butter. That is half a stick of butter, which is a crazy amount of butter. So yeah, that kills the idea of this being any way healthy for you. You know, with butter and milk, it makes a creamy cheese sauce. And we let that boil. While that's boiling, we can get the vegetables ready. Because we should have a vegetable with a meal. You shouldn't have just a main dish. You should have a vegetable also with it. Do you know how to use this?
Yeah.
You're close. Let me get started for you. So you want to line this part here up with the edge of the can. Put it right like that, then you squeeze the handle.
See,
That's
like
it,
this.
and you just keep turning it. Oh, but you're turning it the wrong way.
Oh.
You gotta turn it this way.
Oh.
Clockwise.
Clockwise. It's a little hard sometimes.
Yeah? It's because you're still small. When you get bigger, it gets real easy.
Like that. Like that.
Some people buy electric can openers because they're like old or really lazy. You just use that. And you pull the lid off. Somehow.
Oh, another. Get it? Oh, another.
Oh, this one didn't come all the way off. Oh, we're not cooking well tonight. This is how not to cook a meal, I guess. Oh, not to open a can.
How not to open them.
Yeah.
How not to make a meal. How not.
Now, easy way on this. You could just dump that and hope you don't spill it all over. Or I found a trick. You put the other one over there, and then you just flip it over real quick.
And you
Lift the can. And when we lift the can, what do we do with the can? Throw it. Alright. We cook that. Let that start cooking there. Our butter is starting to melt over here in the middle of the hot milk
Yep.
and seasoning. So we want to stir it around so that everything gets stirred up. I find that it's best to mix the powdered ingredients with the liquid as soon as you can so that they have time to start becoming less gritty. Otherwise it tastes kind of gritty and gross. But if you do this, you can actually turn it into something pretty decent to eat.
Why did you not use that thingamajoin to drain out the water?
Well, on the green beans,
Yeah.
because you need the water liquid in the green beans so that they heat nice and they keep them wet. Sometimes I even add more water to the green beans to the can so they cook even better. And well, since this is going to take like 20 minutes to cook and these just have to be heated up, we're going to turn the heat way down on the green beans. Way down to just a slow little flame, see? See
Yep.
the slow little flame?
If it's gotta be slow,
See the
it's
slow
gotta
little
be
flame?
slow.
All
Get
right.
it? If it's gotta be
All right,
it's
now look at
gotta
this,
be
see?
slow.
Your milk water is starting to get ready to boil. The next step is we add the noodles to it.
Yeah.
What's left of the noodles I didn't spill on the floor. No, I didn't spill that many. It's only like 20.
20.
30 if you want to be exact.
Go.
Alright, we add this. It says we bring that to a boil, reduce heat, cover simmer about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. So then we throw the box away.
On the floor. That can close it.
Yeah, it's boiling, so let's reduce the heat to a simmer.
Dad,
Yes, Ed?
can I close the box?
Afterwards, yes. And now we have to cover.
Big size.
We have one of our fancy glass lids. And we let it cook for 11 minutes. Like, oh, you gotta add the tuna yet. While it's cooking, open cans of tuna. This usually calls all the cats in the house, doesn't it?
Yep. Kitties-o, kitties-o.
Yeah, well, let's hope that they just leave us alone today
Why?
because they meow too much. Too much for when we're filming, it is. I want to make sure that one part in here pop. Okay. And take the lids off. Now we drain these. There's one drained.
One's rainbow.
Love these strainers. These are awesome. And we want to add that to the mix also. Two cans of tuna. Ours happens to be this brand, whatever the hell it is. I like it. It's what we get at the grocery store. It's what we have around here. It's affordable, but not too grossly expensive.
Wee, I can't find my way home.
All right, so we keep stirring this in. You notice how sometimes that it gets collected on the sides? So we scrape the side cheese and make sure you get that melted back in the center. That's just where the cheese sauce dries on the side. Now that everything's stirred in and good to go, we let it set for 11 minutes. If we can get the lid on. All right.
Yeah.
All right, well, we're back. Or here we are. It's been 11 minutes. Everything's cooked. We can turn the green beans off. They're nice and boiled. I like this. This is like a strainer for a small pot. I don't know where I got it. Walmart, maybe. Bed Bath & Beyond. I don't fucking know. And then you can just do this and dump it straight in the sink.
Over there. No, so you didn't film that way.
And then you got the green beans in the pot with no liquid. So let's put some green beans on there.
The plate.
We'll put just a
Right.
few. There we go. I know you're not a big fan of
I
vegetables.
do not eat the seeds.
Now you could eat it just like that, but we're in Wisconsin, so let's add some cheese to it. Because everything is better with more cheese on it, isn't it? And a little oregano for flavor.
Like a knock.
Does the green beans need salt? You want to help? That's plenty. That's plenty. A little bit of salt does great. Everyone should have less salt. All right. Tuna casserole and green beans. Pretty much a full meal and easy to make. You like that, Nick, in the plate? Let's see if we can get a zoom in on this. That shouldn't exist. It's a Corningware plate. It should never ever chip. All right, let's see how this tastes.
Can I take a little one? Okay.
Not bad. I like it with the extra cheese.
It's a little too hot. I'm gonna cool
Well, you gotta blow on it first. You never go wrong with a can of green beans. All right. Ready? And that is done.